This is like cruelty. They set the bike to go backwards. This is so mean, but so funny. You're always going backwards. This is how you teach your 2-year-old tolerance. Oh, you did it. You worked it out. Good problem solving. Ah, oh, good one. Forward. Forward. Go. What do you look like with that haircut, that dummy? You're not a baby.
He's funny.
He's on the ground over there. You worked it out. Good problem solving. A+. This is not a coffee. This is a hot chocolate. Because today the struggle is real, people. No, you can't have that. Oh, that's mean. No, that's so mean.
Baby Chino.
Baby Chino. Do you love Baby Chino? Yummy?
Mommy.
Big one.
Yeah.
Big one.
Oh. Oh. Mussy. Oh. Look at my hero. Beautiful. Mommy, Daddy, Mommy. Mussy? Yes? Oh, wow, look. Nana's taking Mussy to her house because they're going to go to Kidney. Look what I see. How are you loving it, Nana? Do you want to tell the vlog?
Great. Do you think it's a bit heavy, or is it the stuff I've got in it?
Well, how much do you have in it? But it's also...
It's
oh,
quite a
yikes.
bit.
There's a lot in there, doll. Do you need all of it?
Yeah.
Oh. What's that like in your Longchamp? Not that heavy.
No, Longchamp's like a piece of nylon. But it's a good
It's a full
strap.
leather bag. But do you know that a Speedy... Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. Yes, Mussy. Okay.
I'm coming
Nana
back.
and Mussy say hello, bye-bye on the vlog. Hey, yo. Oh. Oh, you're doing it perfect.
Go back to sleep, Baba.
I know. Mummy's struggling today. Okay, I just came back upstairs and I left my phone up here. Mussy was on it earlier and then woke up from his nap. He was holding it. I don't even think he was watching anything, to be honest. And let me bring it into the light. Oh my god. I wondered why this case just all of a sudden, it's been so good, this case. Let me try and get a clear shot for you. All of a sudden, I'm like wondering why, look, all of the glazing here has been picked off and the leather is starting to be pushed back. Only on that side. At the top here and there. And I swear this case, look, and this side's fine. And then I just came up and I've realised when I see Mussy holding this phone, he's picking at this. Oh my gosh, guys. Maybe it is time for a new Gucci phone case that is not going to get more destroyed. And I'll see if they can reglaze that. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I know there's probably no footage from today's vlog. However, we didn't do anything. The struggle is so real today, and I'm sure if you've been pregnant with a toddler, you will understand why it is full on, just, you know, because you live your same life, however you're growing a human at the same time. So anyway, I'm going to end today's vlog here, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.